I'm Jen from Paradiso Learning, leading provider of e-learning solutions, including Learning Management System, LMS, Course Development Services, Course Catalog, and Managed Training Services. In this video, we will speak about Paradiso's course creation services. So, let's get started and explore custom e-learning course creation services. Paradiso's content creation service transforms your raw content into the e-learning course of your dreams. It is armed with superlative course authoring tools such as Articulate 360, Adobe Captivate, Lectora, and backed by a passionate, experienced e-learning course development team. Paradiso is capable of converting your existing legacy training material like PPTs, PDFs, Word documents, and Flash-based modules to SCORM compliant, mobile-friendly, engaging, and interactive self-paced e-learning modules. Also, convert your instructor-led classroom training and paper-based training to dynamic and mobile-friendly e-learning modules. These modules increase users' knowledge retention by incorporating elements like interactive videos, gamified learning, and micro-learning content into the courses to make it more engaging. Paradiso caters to many industries such as healthcare, education, retail, training, manufacturing, pharmaceutical, airline, nonprofits, government, and much more. Paradiso offers end-to-end content creation services, which includes instructional designing, graphic designing, storyboarding, translation and localization, voiceovers and video editing that are supreme quality, pocket-friendly, and time-saving. Also, Paradiso Learning provides its clients with a library of 7,000 plus e-learning courses so that employees can quickly find everything they need in their extensive library of training courses. It offers a user-friendly learning management system, and should you decide to build your own courses, Paradiso also offers you with a course authoring tool called Paradiso Composer. So now, no more wasting your precious time with unfamiliar learning tools and content creation services. Let Paradiso Learning help you to reach your way to the top with the complete e-learning solutions like LMS, course creation services, course catalog, and managed training services. Book your free consultation now.